One.
Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah, hello everyone. So today I want to present my portfolio, especially junior high school project from since 2020 2021 till 2025. Yeah. So yeah, before that, let me introduce myself. So my name is Kevin Deniswara, Wigowara Harjo. You can call me Kevin, and I'm a student at IDN Boarding School Solo. And yeah, I like to coding, especially for back-end development. Okay, yeah, let's jump to the first section, that is Dinia. Yeah. In Dinia, I made a lot of design, such as poster and mind mapping, and infographics. Yeah, and here is my Islamic poster. Yeah, you can see here the first is poster about sirah, and the second is about adab makan. Yeah, about adab makan, and here I have adab berpakaian, yeah, and all of this poster I made using Figma, yeah. Okay, next I have the other Islamic poster. So here I have Shirik poster, but in Shirik poster I made using Photoshop, yeah. It's different than what Figma, yeah. It's more advanced. Okay, the next I have poster jenazah, and you can see here the style is like coding, and the last my favorite poster, that ada janji yang harus dipenuhi, or nazar, poster nazar. Okay, next I have game development. Yeah, in IDN, in the first year of IDN, we focus on learning how to build a game, yeah, or how to develop some game. Yeah, and I developed many games, such as these games. Yeah, this is Running Ball, the 3D game, and I developed using Buildbox. Yeah, as you know, Buildbox is platform for building some games, and it's free, and also it's easy to use. Yeah. Okay. Next, I have a racing car game, and as normal racing car, to winning this game, you have to go as fast as possible. Yeah, and also you have to collect enough score to be winner. Yeah. Okay, and also I built with Buildbox here. Okay, next, this is my final project at the first year at IEN. That's Worm Attack. Yeah, this game is open world, so you can explore all of things in this game. So you can explore to inside the building, or you can fight with the worm, yeah, as you can see here. And the main story of this game, you have to fight with the worm, because the worm have attacked the city. Yeah. Okay. Next, this is 2D games, and I developed with using Scratch, and this is the best game that I made. Yeah, I called Zombie Attack. Why this game is special? Because the logic of this game was very it's very hard to make. Yeah. Such as this, you can see here there are tanks. This tank is usable, but you have to interact with this tank, and then you click F on your keyboard So you can move, you can use the tank. Yeah, that's a little bit tricky to make. Okay, next I have Pac-Man. Yeah, this is a retro game, and I also made using Scratch. And yeah, Pac-Man games, you have to avoid the ghost to get win. Yeah. Okay. Next sections we have UI UX and 3D design. Yeah. Okay. The first project that I made in UI UX, this design. Yeah. I call Zikr Zen. Why? It's very Islamic apps. Yeah, this is Islamic apps used for zikir in bahasa ya. So it have dua or apa? Zikr count, zikr counter, and also Quran screen. And yeah, as you can see here, we have some what kiblat ya, arah kiblat. So you just enter your locations and the apps will be mengarahkan. Okay, the next project is space travel. Yeah, actually this is it's same with normal booking apps, but yeah, you go to space to traveling to interstellar. Yeah, that's the difference. And all of this design I uploaded in Dribbble. Yeah, you can see in my Dribbble. Yeah, my name, just type my name in Dribbble and you find me. Okay, this is the last UI UX that I made. Yeah, I call Foodies a e-commerce. Yeah, it's like commerce, but for food. Yeah. I call it e-commerce. Yeah, I made with my team, yeah, my group team, and it's this ad selling some Middle East food. Yeah. Why? Because my parents sell some Middle East food. So if you wanna taste how is the taste, yeah, you can go to my store. Yeah, it's very tasty. You have to try. Okay, jump to the 3D design. So this model is a battle boba. Yeah, boba battle. And I made using Spline. It's a open source, not open source, but free 3D software for making 3D or something else. Yeah. And where's the boba? Yeah, you can see it. There are bobas here. And this is the water, and this is the bottle. And yeah, as you can hear, here's the straw. Yeah. Okay, next. I have a frog diorama. Yeah, and this model I made with using Spline as well. And I don't really like it because, yeah, as you can see here, his eyes is too big and yeah, not proper. Right? Yeah, this is the last 3D design that I made. And why is this design special for me? Yeah, because I made using Blender. Yeah, yeah, as you can see here, this is the building, and also a Cybertruck here, Tesla Cybertruck, and isometric design. Yeah, it's like a flat design. So yeah, flat. Yeah. Okay. And next sections, we have Android and website. Yeah, in IGN we learn about what website and and Android mobile development. Yeah, and the first I have MedGuard website. Yeah, what MedGuard use? So MedGuard used for buying some medicine. So this website is like an marketplace to buy to sell or buying some what medicine, and also you can consultate with the doctor. Yeah, you can see here rekomendasi dokter. Yeah, there are two doctors. The first is Atar and the second is me. Yeah. And this website also integrate with IoT hardware. That's like it's like an finding machine. Yeah. So you have to buy from this website, and then the code, the reading code will be shown here, and you can insert in a vending machine. Okay. The second is mobile apps. Yeah. This is Islamic mobile apps. I call Bitaqwa. Bitaqwa is very Islamic. And the feature from these apps, we have Dua, Zakat, Calculator, Jadwal Sholat, and Kajian. Yeah, you can see this is Dua screen. For example, Dua pagi and malam, and this is the list of the Dua before sleep, and Dua when you wake up, and yeah, many more. And this is the Dua. If you click some Dua here, it will be shown like this. Yeah. Okay. And the last, yeah, because I'm robotic and IoT developer, I made robot. Yeah. Here's the first. Yeah. It's a complex robot that I made for fruit harvesting. I call it agrobot, but someone calls agrowisatabot. But this is agrobot. Yeah. So, but what for agrobot? Yeah. For harvesting, food harvesting. Like we have some cameras here, and the camera will be detected by AI. Here you can see AI. They detect some object, some fruit. If the fruit have been matang, yeah, we will be paid, and then put in the right place. And this is the top view from for my project. Yeah, actually this is what competitions project, and but I really like this project because it's a little bit expensive, and yeah, I waste many times to build this robot. And this is the last, actually not the last thing. Yeah. And this is also I have said before, I have told you before, yeah. MedGuard, but the last slide, I showed the website, and this is the hardware. Yeah. As you can see here, this is the vending machines, and this is the website. Yeah. If you enter the code here, yeah, the screen will be shown. Ini benar. It's right. The code is right. Yeah. And the medicine will be dropped here. Yeah. And also this is competitions project in UKM, University Kebangsaan Malaysia. And this is the first time I go to Malaysia, and it's very good. Yeah, maybe that's all from me. Any questions? No. Yeah. I do apologize if I have many mistakes. I have some quotes. Yeah.
What is the quotes?
Yeah. What? Yeah. Other people know what. Yeah. This is told here. Yeah, maybe that's all from me. I have mistake. Last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam